Welcome back, Armchair Outdoor enthusiasts. This is my 3-minute review and comparison video between the SOTO Amicus stove and the SOTO WindMaster. So let's get started. You can see that in the upper left, I'm performing a boil test. Not everyone likes boil tests, but you know what? There's enough out there. Why not perform another one? I also want you to hear the difference in the volume of each stove. So I'm going to mute the video right now and let you listen to that, because it's rather interesting. Now let's look at some side-by-side comparisons between the two stoves. As you can see, the burner heads are a bit different. The SOTO Amicus is smaller, and it looks to be missing an entire set of holes around the outside. The SOTO WindMaster obviously will have better coverage on wider based pots. I do like the fact that the SOTO Amicus is shorter than the SOTO WindMaster, just for the fact that it helps with stability. However, you can see that the pot stand on the Amicus is taller, therefore putting the pot further away from the burner head. Both stoves screw in nicely and seat well into a canister of fuel. However, I do like the full coverage circular flange that is on the SOTO WindMaster. Both valves are smooth and operate nicely. I had no issues with either one during testing. I did find that although the piezoelectric igniters work great, the one on the Amicus took a few more clicks to get started each time than the one on the SOTO WindMaster. Obviously, the fixed pot stand is really nice on the Amicus, but it doesn't have a much wider base than the WindMaster and its 3-prong support. And the fact that you can also add the additional 4-prong support for the WindMaster makes it a lot more versatile. Each stove comes nicely packaged with plenty of instructions to get you started, and they each come with their own baggie to put everything in. However, the SOTO Amicus baggie is smaller and a lot more robust. Alright, so let's finish up by talking about the boil test as it comes to a close. Each stove was brand new and was put on top of a brand new canister of MSR fuel. Also, each stove was turned on high and left there for the entirety of the test. Each pot was filled with exactly 474 grams of 60-degree water, and by the end of the test, they both boiled off 24 grams. And each stove used exactly 12 grams of fuel in the entire process. I hope you've enjoyed this review of the SOTO Amicus stove versus the SOTO WindMaster. As always, get out there, enjoy the outdoors, happy cooking, and happy trails!